Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by choosing a build focused on quick kills and survival. Make sure your weapon procs match infested armor types. Once grouped or queued into Cambion Drift, spawn into the node and quickly locate the target rift or infested pod. Move methodically. Clear small packs to avoid getting surrounded, then prioritize mob control to isolate the bounty or Eidolon spawn. Keep your operator ready for void damage or traversal, and monitor cooldowns and ammo so you can execute the first engagements cleanly. Once you have the target engaged, maintain pressure by alternating abilities and primary fire to prevent healing phases and minimize regeneration windows. Use terrain to bait infested fetchers and funnel waves into kill zones, and make sure to burst down adds that buff the boss so they cannot extend the engagement. You should swap to burst weapons when shields or armor break. When the boss phases, step back and reposition rather than tunnel vision, because movement and timing determine whether you finish the hunt swiftly or get overwhelmed. As the fight winds down, line up your highest damage ability and fire during the vulnerability window to prevent a recovery loop. Your operator or spectral weapons can secure the final ticks. After the kill, move through the area to pick up mutagen samples and rewards, then return to a relay or extraction to complete the run. If things go wrong, stop and diagnose. Check status resistances, adjust mod loadouts, or switch to a more reliable frame. Repeating with small tweaks will reveal the simplest fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.